Okay, good morning, Alex. Today's a special day. It's May 2nd. You're going to be doing your STAAR testing at school. You got your skateboard. Mommy's going to go ahead and video you skateboarding, so go ahead and get out. No, what are you doing?
Get me out.
What do you have to say for yourself? Are you excited? Have a wonderful day. I love you, sweetie.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Crazy.
My little skateboarder is so cute.
I can't get out. Oh, ow. Dang it. Ow. This hurt.
Come on, you're looking bad on camera.
Usually kids usually think that I ride it to school.
I know, that's okay. Go ahead. Just turn back and wave at Mommy, okay? Bye, Alex.